Okay, I'm just doing a review on the Rampage stainless steel black powder coated hood hinges. My old hood hinges were completely rotted. They were seized up at the hinge area. A lot of salt up here in upstate New York. So they didn't actually bend or twist here. They actually bent on the bracket in the back, and the bracket was starting to shear apart. So pretty simple. This basically you just have to remove your windshield wiper arms, remove this nut here, and then use a flathead screwdriver underneath the wiper arm and gently pry it up off of the mount. Do it on both sides. Once that's up, you use I think it's a T30 Torx star bit to remove your 4 hood cowl bolts, and then there's 2 plastic body mounts inside here that you got to pry off, and then the cowl comes off. Once that's off, it's pretty easy. Unbolt the 2 bolts back here, unbolt these 2 bolts up here, and they recommend changing one at a time to maintain your body lines and position. Honestly, I don't think it matters. But basically, unbolt these 4 bolts. I used a breaker bar to break these free first, and then a power drill just to remove them the rest of the way. Take one off, sand it off the underside, or the hood underneath these plates, underneath the mounting brackets. Sanded them down, cleaned them, and spray painted them because they're, thanks to Chrysler, they're bare metal, both sides. The Rampage hood hinges mounted on very easily. Mounted these 2 bolts, mounted those 2 bolts back there, and then tightened them down, first with these 2, then with the 2 in the back. Same thing on the other side, and then just reassembled everything. So far they work great. The hood opens very easily, doesn't make any noise or rattle so far. Everything actually went a lot easier than I expected. I will post a long-term review on this Rampage hood hinge. Ran about $95 on Amazon. This is on my 2010 Jeep Wrangler Sahara, upstate New York. Lots of salt, you can see that right here. And this is after washing this Jeep back a couple days ago. Went on smooth, happy with them so far, highly recommend. The Rampage, stainless steel, black powder coated hood hinges. Thanks.